Plants rely on a simple bribe to spread their offspring. They wrap their seeds in bright, sugary flesh to entice hungry animals into plucking the fruit and carrying those seeds to a new location. The chili pepper operates under this exact biological imperative. It is a fleshy berry packed with delicate seeds that require an animal courier to transport the next generation away from the parent plant. But hidden inside the white pith surrounding those seeds is a chemical compound called capsaicin. For most consumers, biting into a raw pepper inflicts immediate, blinding pain. This presents a glaring evolutionary contradiction. A plant spends precious energy growing a brightly colored fruit to attract a hungry animal, then laces that same fruit with a chemical defense that seems designed to drive them away. Capsaicin generates a flawless molecular illusion of heat that triggers a full physical panic response without causing any actual tissue damage or chemical burns. The illusion is so convincing that the nervous system initiates a pulling sequence, triggering heavy sweating, watering eyes, and the intense sensation of being physically scalded. This directed pain functions as a highly specific biological filter, evolved to selectively deter mammals while permitting more efficient seed dispersers to feed in peace. Mammals are the primary targets of this chemical barrier. To a pepper plant, mice, monkeys, and humans are the worst possible couriers for its seeds. Mammalian jaws are equipped with heavy, grinding molars that thoroughly pulverize the seeds during mastication. Whatever fragments remain are then subjected to a slow, highly acidic digestive tract that breaks the seeds down completely, ensuring that nothing survives. Because a mammalian meal results in the total destruction of the plant's genetic lineage, the pepper required a powerful deterrent to defend its fruit from these specific predators. The plant targets a specific protein in the mammalian nervous system called the TRPV1 receptor. This protein is responsible for detecting extreme temperatures and sending pain signals to the brain. Capsaicin's molecular structure docks precisely into a specialized binding pocket on the mammalian TRPV1 receptor, anchoring itself to the protein's surface. Once docked, the receptor misfires, sending a pulsing alarm straight up the nerve pathway, falsely reporting to the brain that the mouth is in contact with boiling temperatures. By hacking the mammalian pain pathway, the plant uses a molecular bouncer to repel seed destroyers. Simultaneously, the chemical protects the fruit from insect damage and the fungal rot they carry. With mammals deterred, the fruit is left for the plant's ideal courier, the bird. Birds lack teeth to crush seeds, and their rapid digestive systems allow the seeds to pass through the gut entirely intact. Millions of years of genetic divergence altered the avian TRPV1 receptor. Because the specific amino acids required for binding are missing, the capsaicin molecule simply bounces off the bird's sensory cells. To a bird enthusiastically consuming a notoriously spicy chili, there is no heat at all. It tastes as mild as a crunchy bell pepper. Capsaicin is a perfectly tuned filter. It weaponizes the mammalian sensory system against itself, while leaving the door wide open for the avian couriers the plant needs. This relationship provides a major payoff for both species. The bird gets exclusive access to a nutrient-dense food source rich in vitamin A, entirely free from mammalian competition. The benefit to the plant is even more significant. This data shows that seeds passing through an avian digestive tract experience a 370% increase in germination viability compared to those that encounter a mammal. The pepper successfully engineered a long-distance distribution network, utilizing birds to drop intact seeds across wide geographic areas in packets of natural fertilizer. This flawless deterrent worked on every mammal in the wild, except for one bizarre hairless ape. Humans experience a psychological phenomenon known as benign masochism. We enjoy the fake danger of the capsaicin burn because it triggers a sudden, euphoric rush of endorphins and dopamine. Instead of avoiding the plant, humans cultivated it. We actively bred peppers to bypass the plant's own biological filter, creating exponentially hotter varieties just to chase the physical sensation of the burn. By seeking out the pain, humans took over the bird's job, ensuring the global cultivation and survival of the chili pepper on every continent. The burning sensation of a spicy meal is simply nature's do not disturb sign, a quiet request to leave the fruit for the birds.